Hey guys, it's Kate here, and I'm going to talk about CBD oil for dogs, and hopefully you're going to learn some important benefits about anxiety and pain reducer for dogs. Like I said in my previous video, I've done lots of research to get to my views on the subject matter regarding CBD, and with this video I decided to focus primarily on the CBD Distillery CBD oil for dogs. I did a lot of digging on this particular oil before I bought it for my dog Xander here, because, you know, I'm picky about what I put in myself, but I want to do the same thing for him. I mean, he cannot figure it out for himself, so it's my job, obviously. I had great results with this one. I'll talk about it in a moment, but first I want to let you know that I made the decisions to made the decisions to give my dog CBD oil. It gets rid of chronic pain. When dogs begin to grow older, like Xander, inflammation, chronic joint pain become more regular and common. CBD will help your dog feel relief from chronic pains without poisoning them or risking their liver like most traditional medicines do. And it has anti-cancerous powers. Maybe you never knew that your dog could get cancer. Well, there's several causes of cancer for certain dog breeds. And believe me, it can be a harrowing experience for your dog. But with CBD, the tumors go away before you know it. Relief from epilepsy seizures. If your dog has experienced some kind of seizures, CBD, it's really your safest bet. Most traditional medicines for dogs that vets give you, they come with negative side effects like liver and kidney problems. And these are verifiable. CBD is not quite different because it is quite different because it comes with no side effects. It's organic, boosts your cardiovascular health. And if you've ever been with someone that has heart disease, you understand why it's a very scary situation. It is for dogs as well. I found it to be quite effective for dealing with heart problems involving him as well. Reduced anxiety is a top one. He has anxiety issues, especially when I leave. They're outside a lot. So this really has helped with his anxiety, especially when I go have to leave him at the babysitter's. And he gets really fidgety during the day when I'm out at work, when he can't go out and play. So this really helps him too. Just helps him feel more relaxed, more confident. It also improves his appetite. So whenever you see your dog maybe ignoring its favorite food from anxiety or maybe depression, this does help get their anxiety back. It's worked with several dogs, and it should work with yours also. It also helps with arthritis. A dog with arthritis, it's super sad to see. Just like with humans, they just, you know, they can't jump up on things, they're in pain, and they can't tell us. So the fact that I just give him a few drops of these works tremendously. It improves his movement, makes him fit as a fiddle. It just improves his overall physical conditions. Like I said, he's getting older. He's 10 now, and I can just see such a difference in him. It helps with neurodegenerative diseases as well. And there's a plethora of things that it can help with. Brain disease. I mean, it just, the list goes on and on. There's so much more benefits than any kind of symptoms that he's going to feel otherwise. It's one alternative treatment that you should give a try. Keep handy, because like there's no side effects. So you can read more about all this. I'll put the link down below. You guys can check it out. And you can put it straight in their mouth, but I don't do that. I actually put this, I put a few drops in his food. And like I said, it depending on the particular situation, if I'm gone during the day for work, I put a few drops in his food in the morning, and my neighbor comes over and checks on him, and he's so much more chill, she says. And like, they're not getting the THC from it, so they're not getting the high or whatever other thing that you can get from it. They're getting the relaxed, calming effect. So and then when I have to go leave town for a few days and he goes to the babysitter, he's had problems barking, chewing on things, and with this, she's been giving it to him, and she says that his demeanor is completely different. It's 150 milligrams. And you can also use it for your cats too, if you happen to have cats that have the same kind of issues. And then overall, it's just a great sort of kind of like a vitamin to help to help dogs that are older, or maybe dogs that are kind of in that middle age where they might be showing a few signs. And like I said, you don't have to give them a lot. It's just a few drops in their food. You can give it to them just even on a treat or something, because it absorbs well, and he doesn't know the taste to it. He doesn't have any kind of feelings of disgust or anything, which I've tried to put other kind of vitamin type things that I've gotten for him, and he won't even eat it. So he definitely benefits from this. And just give it a try. If you're giving your dog any kind of medicines, keep those. Try this, and I almost wish I could guarantee you will not need those other medicines ever again. Just try this CBD oil for your dogs. It's a CBD distillery, and you will see, like I said, I will put the link right here, and you guys can check it out for yourself. Check out some more of the benefits. I kind of ran through it, but you can go into more detail and see exactly if your dog's having any of those issues, and your dog really will thank you by sticking around longer, huh? Yeah.